find the derivative of y is equal to the square root of logarithm of sine 2x. For this one, first thing to do, skip. Charot. Okay, maraming natatakot dito kasi may logarithm na, may sine pa, may 2x pa, all over square root pa. 'Di ba? Pero again, madali lang siya. It's just a series of chain rules. Write muna natin siya para sa process natin siya ng mabilisan. So we have y is equal to the square root of the logarithm of sine 2x, and then all raised to 1/2 kasi square root siya. Ngayon, pag chain rule, kailangan natin gamitin yung magical shortcut natin. It's just out prime composed of n times in prime. So, anong outside function natin dito? That is the square root or yung 1/2 natin dito. So, now, let's solve for the actual prime. So, we have y prime is equal to power rule 1/2 composed of n. So, kakopyahin lang natin siya, 1/2 log sine 2x and then raised to 1/2 minus 1 negative 1/2. So, ayan na yung ating out prime composed of n. We just need to multiply it by the in prime. What is the in prime? The in prime is the logarithm of sine 2x. Kailangan natin itong i-prime. Now, for this one, this is not product rule. Okay, this is, kailangan ulit natin gamitin ng magical chain rule. Okay, so identify natin, this is our out function here. Then ito naman yung in natin dito. Okay, so out prime composed of n times in prime. Ayan lang siya. So, let's solve it. Anong derivative ng logarithm? That is 1 over x. 'Di ba? Kaso, we need out prime composed of n. So, 1 over sine of 2x. Yun lang siya, papalitan lang natin siya. Okay, tapos times in prime. Ngayon, for the in prime, this is sine 2x. This is another set of chain rules. So, again, repetitive steps, pero break it down, madali lang siya if alam mo. So, dito, ang out natin is yung sine, and then ang in natin is yung 2x. Okay? So, out prime natin is gonna be, what's the derivative of sine? That is gonna be cosine. Right? Cosine composed of n, out prime composed of n, tapos times in prime. What is in prime? 2x. Prime is just 2. Okay? Now, pagdating dito, in examinations, hindi mo kailangan in DOST or instead, hindi mo kailangan isolve ng buong buo. Okay? Because that takes a lot of time. Ngayon, if hindi ka naman ganun kagaling, go. Solve mo ng buo with all the labels and stuff kasi hindi ka nga sure kung tatama ka in the first place. But if medyo magaling ka na, okay, kaya mo ng elemental yung ibang steps, implied steps, ganito lang dapat kadali. Mabilisan lang siya because this is an examination, timed exam, so speed is a factor. Pero accuracy mo na before speed, so make sure na kaya mo nang itama siya talaga saka mahabulin yung speed. Kita nyo, gano'n lang siya kabilis. Ganyan lang siya. And now, this is multiply, right? So, all we have to do now is simplify. So, this is the biggest multiplication factor. So, we have 1/2 here, 2 here, so cancelled na yan. And then, let's look at the choices. Makita natin dito, may cosine over sine. So, obviously, that is wala dito, so cotangent siya. Pero don't assume na siya na yung tamang sagot kasi baka niloloko lang kayo ng form, pero sundan natin siya. Pagiging cotangent x to, try natin. So, cosine over sine is cotangent 2x. And then, anong matitira sa first term? So, logarithm sine of 2x is to negative 1/2. So, nasa baba siya. And since 1/2 siya, that is square root of log sine 2x. And now, let's check if it's really letter C. Yes, it's really letter C. Sobrang daming steps. Pero tingnan yung solution ko. First line, second line, tapos na. That's what you get if mastered mo yung fundamentals. Yun yung tatrabahuhin natin dito bago mag-DUSD. Welcome to Hulog Plus Tutorials.